Welcome to Laudtec. In 2008, Laudtec headquarter was established in Shenzhen. We are a professional manufacturer of mobile device accessories with CDEX and ISO 9001:2015 certification. We serve our customers with 4 modes: OEM for professional factory, ODM for customize your design, brand with LONs, Laudtec, AOAO, and sourcing for find what you need swiftly beyond Laudtec's inventory to serve our customers. We have approved CDEX, BSCI, ISO 9001, REACH, FDA, FCC, SCCP, CE, RoHs, PAHs, Prop 65 and military drop test, with 15 patent certificates, audited by SGS, TUV, Intertek. This ensures our production capacity and fast delivery to meet our customers' goals and requirements. Laudtec leather case factory covers an area of 2,907 square meters and has 135 workers. Among them, there are 15 people in the quality control team, which controls the quality of the products in every step of the process of raw material warehousing and production, and ensures that all the products pass 100% of the tests. The factory mainly produces phone case, tablet case, wallet case, AirPods case, AirTag case, game case, VR case, and other products mainly made of leather material, which are exported to the UK, Holland, Germany, and France. The factory has cutting machine, voltage marking machine, laser engraving machine, electric press machine, sewing machine, and other production equipments, and adopts the latest technology instead of manual production to ensure the quality of the products and to achieve long-term cooperation. Dongguan Laudtec module plastic injection factory covering an area of 3,807 square meters. There are 117 workers, including 15 quality control team members, with high-end production equipment such as injection molding machine, CNC machine, spark machine, milling machine, heat shrink packaging machine, and so on. The factory's professional R&D team focuses on the research of new products, obtains the design information of new products at the first time, and ensures the accuracy of the products produced. The factory's professional mold team helps high-end customers to customize their own designs and molds. The factory's professional quality control and quality assurance team ensures that 100% of the products pass the 3-time standard test. The factory's product quality and service have been well received by brand company customers, supermarket customers, Amazon sellers, distributors, and wholesalers, and many customers have established long-term business relationships for more than 10 years. In the future, we will provide more brand companies with high-quality products and services. Dongguan Laudtec New Material EVA factory is close to the national new material production base in southern China. The factory covers an area of 3,207 square meters and has 139 workers. The factory focuses on the research and development and production of EVA products, including EVA tablet case, EVA phone case, EVA baskets, EVA pet toys, EVA water sports products, and so on. The factory has a perfect high-quality management system, professional mold design team, production workshop, quality control team, and sales service team. If you want to customize EVA products, customize various colors, develop new production process, and build your own brand, we will be your best choice. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you.